another laughable subject. They're tying up the boat tomorrow. So, let's see. It is now about noon. I found out about 30 minutes ago. Noon the day before. And I found out 30 minutes ago that I am going home along with the rest of the crew because they're tying up the boat. And we're going to be in St. Paul when it happens. St. Paul to Paducah, Kentucky. Figure out the driving hours. Minimum 12 hours. That's no stops. So it's going to be at least 14 hours. I would say at least 14. So let's see. If we leave at 6 o'clock in the morning, 6, 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow night, my ass is going to be sore from that long. My feet are going to be swollen. And you know what's funny? I have no idea what to put everything in. I practically lived on this boat for the last 3 months. I bought more clothes. Let's see, darn flies, leave me alone. Things. I purchased a little mini Keurig. I've got a beach chair. I got extra stuff, no extra luggage. My next purchase, which was missed on the last time I went to the B&M boat store. No, so that was from that video that I did, groceries. There's one box that showed up later that day that has a duffel bag in it along with even more clothes. I just talked to them. They're going to ship it to my home address, but it does me no good. I need the luggage. So you gotta think, I hope to God he brings that big huge van because I've got tons of stuff. Let's see, my 3 regular bags plus a big box, maybe, and maybe another small box, and maybe even a plastic bag. You know, one of those big trash bags. I got tons of shit. I'm a hoarder. This is gonna be so much fun. I've already told everybody that they had. Hold on. Okay, the mate came out. He had to ask me a question, so I had to stop the video. All right. Anyways, so it's going to be a long drive home. I am going to be exhausted by tomorrow night. So there's no live stream tomorrow night. Sorry, guys. I'm going to want to hit that bed. My ass is going to be sore. I'm going to want to take a shower, go to bed, and guess what? I even got some whiskey at home. I may take a shot of whiskey and knock myself out. Let's see. Oh yeah, don't forget I got my pillow too, my linen. God, I got so much shit. So I'm laughing, going. I'm flabbergasted first. I'm still thinking, oh my God, less than 24 hours. I've got to have all this done. I've already, like I said, too, everybody's fending for themselves for supper. So I ain't got time. I've got to clean all my dish towels, dishcloths. I've got to make sure my galley's clean. I got to make sure my room is clean. I've got to pack all this stuff. It's going to look worse before I even get done because I got to lay everything out, figure out where I'm going to pack and how I'm going to pack and hope it all fits. Anyways, so with that said, see, Thursday night, no live stream because that is Thursday with BlindViews. So let's push for Friday. Let's do Friday, 5 p.m. Central Time, earlier than normal, okay? So because I believe there's RV Debs, I believe her live streams at 7 or 8, so that'll give us a couple hours. Anyways, so let's push for Friday night live stream. Let's see what happens. All right, talk to y'all later. And as I always say, see you up the river, down the river, or down the road. Bye-bye.